Glacier melting is driving freshwater loss and rising sea levels. A recent study coordinated by the European Space Agency, ESA, has revealed alarming rates of global glacier melt, leading to significant freshwater loss and accelerating sea level rise. The Glacier Mass Balance Intercomparison Exercise, GLAM-BI, involved 35 research teams and integrated various observational techniques to assess glacier mass changes from 2000 to 2023. Here are some key findings. Total ice loss. Approximately 6,542 billion tons of ice were lost globally during the study period, contributing to an 18-millimeter rise in global sea levels. Annual ice loss rate. Glaciers have been losing an average of 273 billion tons of ice per year, with a 36% increase in the rate of loss between 2012 and 2023 compared to 2000 to 2011. Regional variations. Central Europe experienced a 39% reduction in glacier volume, whereas the Antarctic and subantarctic islands saw a 2% decrease. So what's the implications? Freshwater resources. The annual ice loss equates to the global population's freshwater consumption over 30 years, highlighting a critical depletion of regional freshwater reserves. European Space Agency indicates the following. Sea level rise. Glacier melt is now the second largest contributor to global sea level rise, following thermal expansion due to ocean warming. These findings underscore the urgent need for global action to mitigate climate change and its profound impact on glacial environments, freshwater availability, and coastal communities worldwide. To address the alarming rates of glacier, melt, and sea level rise, here are some positive action steps individuals, communities, and governments can take to mitigate climate change and protect the environment. Number 1. Reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Switch to renewable energy. Support solar, wind, and hydroelectric power instead of fossil fuels. Drive less, use public transport. Walk, bike, carpool, or use electric public transportation to reduce carbon footprints. Energy efficiency at home. Use LED lighting, energy-efficient appliances, and insulate homes properly to reduce energy waste. Number 2, advocate for climate policies. Support climate legislation. Encourage governments to implement policies that promote clean energy and emissions reductions. Participate in climate activism. Join local and global initiatives advocating for climate action and conservation efforts. Number 3, protect and restore natural carbon sinks. Support reforestation efforts. Trees absorb CO2, helping to slow climate change. Get involved in tree planting projects. Protect wetlands and mangroves. These ecosystems act as natural barriers against rising sea levels and storm surges. Number 4, conserve water and reduce waste. Limit water use. Reducing unnecessary water consumption can slow glacier depletion caused by excessive resource exploitation. Reduce plastic waste. Plastic pollution contributes to environmental degradation and disrupts marine ecosystems. Number 5, educate and spread awareness. Stay informed. Keep up with climate research and policy changes to take meaningful action. Teach others. Encourage schools and workplaces to implement sustainability programs and climate discussions. Number 6, support sustainable business practices. Choose eco-friendly products. Buy from companies that prioritize sustainability, reduce carbon footprints, and use ethical sourcing. Encourage corporate responsibility. Demand that companies reduce waste, lower emissions, and invest in greener technologies. Number 7, adapt and prepare for rising sea levels. Strengthen coastal resilience. Advocate for infrastructure improvements like seawalls, sustainable urban planning, and relocation strategies for at-risk communities. Promote climate-resilient agriculture. support sustainable farming practices that reduce environmental impact. By taking these steps, individuals and societies can play a crucial role in slowing glacier melt, reducing sea level rise, and preserving the planet for future generations.